Hello, little explorers! Thanks for comments, and share of our last video. You peoples likes Lot A, and that's why we brought part 2. Welcome to Poetic Pulse, the coolest place to learn and have fun. Today, we're going on a delicious adventure with our fruity friends. Are you ready? Look over there. It's a bunch of silly bananas doing a funny dance. Let's ask them why kids should eat bananas.
We're bananas, and we make you go peel good. Eating us gives you energy for all your adventures.
Plus, we're a great source of potassium, which helps your muscles stay strong.
Oh, what a berry bonanza we have. Here are blueberry and strawberry. Why should kids include berries in their diet?
Hey, little buddies. We're the dynamic duo of antioxidants. Eating us helps keep your superhero body healthy and strong.
And don't forget, we taste like nature's candy. So yummy.
Look who's joining the party. It's Giggly Grapes and Cheeky Cherry. What's the scoop, my fruity friends?
Hey, tiny pals, we're the snack squad that brings a burst of sweetness. Eating us is like a fruity fiesta in your mouth. And did you know we're full of antioxidants that help keep you healthy? Pop us in and let the fun begin.
Look who's swinging by. It's Mr. Peanut. What's shaking, Mr. Peanut?
Hey little buddies, I'm the nut with a crunch. Munch on me for a power-packed snack that's loaded with protein and healthy fats. I'm the nutty buddy you've been waiting for.
It's time for the Mango Tango. Watch as Mango and friends show off their dazzling dance moves. Mango, tell us why you're the king of fruits.
Hey there, dancing stars. I'm Mango, and I bring the tropical vibes. Eating me is like a vacation for your taste buds, and I'm loaded with vitamins to keep you shining bright.
Well, that concludes our fruity fun today. Remember, each bite of these colorful friends brings you a step closer to becoming a healthy, happy superhero. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video so more friends can join the fun. Until next time, keep exploring and munching on the goodness of nature. Bye-bye!